Hi everybody, welcome back to Curiosity Corner Live. My name is Andy. Bow ties are cool. This morning we talked about pendulums and I showed you this freestanding one here, and also I showed you my ponycorn, this thing. And I challenge you to make your own pendulums at home. So keep working on those. I have one to show you. This is a chaotic pendulum. There's a normal weight, so up here it's a normal pendulum, but then it has another pendulum attached to it and another pendulum attached to that. And what happens is, if I drop it like a normal pendulum, it behaves very strangely. It sort of flips back and forth like that. So that's a chaotic pendulum. The energy from this pendulum gets added to the energy from this one, and it ends up flipping and wrapping around my hand. Then I also made this. It's a few pendulums sort of set together. This is a pendulum wave, and if we set it up like this and use something, I'm just going to use this pair of scissors, use something that can hit all the pendulums at once. Scissors might not fit, but we can get it to start doing kind of a wave. I'll try that again with my hand. Here you go. So this one goes back and forth really fast. This one swings back and forth over a longer period of time. It needs a little more refining, but the pendulum wave, really cool application of pendulums. So thank you very much for joining us, and don't forget to come back tomorrow at 10:30. We have another cool science video for you, and it's going to be great. So join us at 10:30 tomorrow, and stay curious.